Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be taking a deep dive into the shocking creation of a fan favorite hero, Static. Let's get into it. Look at that detail, from the textured suit to the dynamic lightning base. The custom statue is packed with energy. But before we get to this epic final reveal, let's step into the workshop and see exactly how it came to life. Every great figure starts on the print bed. For this project, I used premium resin and a high clarity resin to ensure every single detail, especially the translucent effect. This is right out of the machine, fresh off a long print cycle and cleaned. Once the parts are washed and fully cured, we get a clear look at the raw sculpture. Notice how clean the surface is. Getting a flawless print here saves hours of sanding later. If you like the content, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on the video. It helps my channel grow. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, time for the fun part. Painting. I started with the head and hands. We started by laying down a rich purple tone as the undercoat. I'm using Vallejo model color paints. I put some in the airbrush to build up thin, even layers. Airbrushing allows for smooth transitions that you just can't get with a standard paintbrush. Next, we mix a custom skin tone, carefully building up highlights on the face and hands to catch the light naturally. I went back over with a lighter tan shade to give the perfect depth, texture, and contrast. Now, let's talk about the energy effects. I hated the paint job I did on this first one here with the blue and the white light. So I went back and I printed a new set and started printing that one in a completely different color. To make Static's electricity truly pop, I airbrush a vibrant purple directly onto the clear resin. This allows the light to pass through the piece, creating a glowing, high energy effect that mimics real lightning. We can't forget the iconic custom accents. I use a high pigmented yellow to bring out the bright trim on his jacket and belt. I use a pink as an undercoat to make the yellow really pop. Pre-masking these sections ensures we keep those edges incredibly sharp and the paint doesn't get everywhere. For the main suit, I applied a sleek, matte black base, then carefully hand printed the golden lightning emblem right on his chest. I added a white undercoat to help the yellow truly stand out. A subtle, dark blue sheen was added to the sides to emphasize his physique and give the fabric a tactical look. Even the base gets a premium treatment. To contrast with the purple electricity, I painted the water from the fire hydrant with this turquoise paint. Once completed, it should look something like this. To make the scene feel like a real city street, I used a classic technique with a sponge to texture the weathered yellow roads. I added a white undercoat underneath it and then applied the yellow on top so that the yellow really pops. Then I grabbed a fine detail brush to give the fire hydrant a bright classic red finish. I then went in with one of my markers and I used a silver to all the nuts and bolts on the fire hydrant so they would stand out a bit.
Before the final reveal, I just want to remind you guys to check out my website. If you're looking for a garage kit for something I've done in the past, if you're looking for a painting kit to paint something, or if you just want me to print or paint something custom for you, you can message me on my website. The website is nightwulfllc.com, and that's wolf with a U, not an O. Now let's see the final reveal.
There you have it, the final reveal. From raw resin to a fully rendered high voltage masterpiece, the combination of rookie airbrushing skills, clear resin effects, and hand painted details really brings this character to life. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome builds, and I'll catch you on the next project.